Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Boho brand, the round Bohemia Tablecloth. This is a 60-inch diameter, beautiful pattern for indoor, outdoor. It's wrinkle proof and fade resistant because it's 100% polyester, and they're using a special printing process to get those colors embedded in it. You can see how beautiful it is. Look at the detail in that. And what's nice is that this just wipes clean with a wet rag, and the pattern just is going to stay in there. And they've got elements in there, chemicals, so that it doesn't fade, and this looks really beautiful. So you can use this on any table. You can use it on a 21-inch up to 48-inch. This is a 48-inch table. By the way, this table is really excellent. It's from Lakhow, L-A-K-H-O-W. It's a 4-foot bifold white plastic table. It's 29 inches tall, and it works beautifully with this tablecloth. I'll have a link to the table as well as this beautiful tablecloth. Look at that center pattern there, how beautiful that is. So these are real vibrant colors. It would go really good with a outdoor Mexican lunch that you'd be preparing. This will hold 4 people easily. This table and this tablecloth will service 4 to 6 people. It's just really beautiful, stays in place, and it's going to really liven up a party that you have. And they have different patterns available also, but this pattern is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to give a full 5-star rating to this tablecloth and to the table that it's on, the Lakhow table. They're both excellent products. I bought them together at the same time, and I think you're really going to like this tablecloth. It's absolutely beautiful. There'll be ordering links for this tablecloth and the table. Please use those links if you decide to buy to help support this channel. Hope this information helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.